Hello, all my groovy cats and kittens. Today's story is Pete the Cat. Twinkle, twinkle, little star by James Dean. Let's get started, friends. Pete the Cat, Twinkle, twinkle, little star by James Dean. Whoa, look at that star. Oh, and is that Pete the Cat and a rocket ship? Whoa, I see you, Pete. You're blasting off. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. He could not see which way to go if you did not twinkle so. What is Pete's mom making? Are those green peas yummy? In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep. For you never shut your eyes till the sun is in the sky. As your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark. Though I know what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. The end. What an awesome take on Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, a classic. Hey, friends, but if you like that story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy reading.